Hey guys, today I'm going to show you an example of a stored XSS attack in this little web server that I've created here. Here's some of the HTML code for it, and I have this Python 3 file that actually hosts the server on my own device. So right now let's go ahead and start it. So now we've got it running, and that'll go over to this address here. So essentially what this does is it just creates a shopping list. We can add things that we'll want to get. Whenever we refresh it, it'll show up here, because after we send that post request, it actually updates the HTML code here to add it as a list item. So this seems pretty innocent. We can just add things that we want, and it'll be saved here, and every time that we revisit the page, these things will appear here since they're being written to this file. But it's actually really easy to abuse a system like this, because whenever we add text here to this HTML, we can actually send in something like this and it'll be interpreted as a JavaScript. So if we want to run something, we could send in something like this. And it'll actually accept this right now, and it's going to keep it as plain text because we don't have any kind of filtering or encoding or any kind of policies in place to prevent this from happening. So we're going to go ahead and send it. And now it doesn't do anything for me here, but anybody who accesses this page now, since this has been updated over here, we've added this script here by just sending in our text. Once we refresh the page, it's actually going to run whatever code we've inserted here. And that's actually just running specifically on my machine. Like, this code isn't accessing anything in the database itself, but it could be used to access my cookies, get my personal data, things like that. And that'll happen for anybody who visits this page. And as you can see, the text doesn't even display correctly here because it's only being picked up as the script. But the website is still functioning in the intended manner. Every time, though, that this gets reloaded, since this is here, since this gets loaded whenever the web page loads, this will run every single time for anybody who accesses it.